How much should you actually spend on an electric water bottle pump? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Today, we're breaking down 5 of the most popular options under $10 to see which one actually delivers.
Product number 1, Cozy Charm Dual Motor Pump. This Cozy Charm pump caught my eye because it claims to have dual motors, something most budget pumps don't mention. At just $9.99, it's priced right in the sweet spot, and with over 10,000 sold last month, it's clearly popular. If you want fast water flow without lifting heavy jugs, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The dual motors deliver a strong, steady stream that fills a 16-ounce cup in just 9 seconds. That's noticeably faster than single motor pumps that struggle with thicker water or lower battery. It's USB-C rechargeable, weighs only 10 ounces, and fits 2 to 5 gallon jugs without removing the cap. Perfect for kitchens, offices, or even camping trips where outlet access is limited. Now, some people complained about inconsistent battery life after a few months. Here's the thing though, most reviews say it lasts weeks on a single charge under normal use, so unless you're using it constantly, it should hold up fine. The plastic build feels a little light, but for the price, it's solid enough. This is perfect for you if you want speed and portability without spending $30. Skip this one if you need something heavy duty or plan to use it in high traffic areas like busy offices. For under $10, it's a steal. Product number 2, Cozy Blue ABS Plastic Pump. That was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for everyday home use. The Cozy Blue pump is $9.25, slightly cheaper, and made with high-density ABS plastic and food-grade silicone. No stainless steel parts to worry about losing. It's simple, safe, and designed for ease. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It uses a 1200 milliamp battery that lasts up to a month or 5 to 6 full 5-gallon bottles on one charge. That means you're not constantly hunting for a charger. The touch button operation is intuitive, and it fits standard 2.16-inch necks, so it works with most jugs. Plus, it's BPA-free and odorless, which matters if you're sensitive to plastic smells. Now, some people complained about weak water pressure over time. Here's the thing though, it's not built for high-speed dispensing, but for steady, reliable use at home. If you just want a no-fuss pump that works quietly and doesn't need daily charging, this handles it well. This is perfect for you if you want a simple, safe pump for home or office use. Skip this one if you need fast flow or plan to use it outdoors often. For under $10, it's a dependable daily driver.
Product number 3, Bayo Portable Dispenser. If the previous pump's pressure bothered you, this Bayo model takes a different approach with a built-in 4W odor that pumps 1.5 liters per minute. At $8.96, it's the cheapest on this list, yet it includes 304 stainless steel in the water outlet, something rare at this price. If you want durability and clean taste, this stands out. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The stainless steel outlet prevents metallic taste and resists corrosion, which is huge if you're drinking directly from the pump. It also has a smart auto stop feature after 60 seconds to prevent spills, and you can override it by holding the button. The 1200 mAh battery lasts about 30 days, and it's compatible with screw caps and crown caps alike. Now, some people complained about the charging cable being too short. Here's the thing though, you're not supposed to charge it constantly. Once every few weeks is normal, so a short cable isn't a deal breaker unless you're always near an outlet. This is perfect for you if you want food-safe materials and smart features under $9. Skip this one if you need ultra-fast flow or plan to use it in tight spaces where the hose might bend. It's a great balance of safety and function.
Product number 4, My Vision Stainless Steel Pump. That was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for long-term peace of mind. The My Vision pump is $9.99 and comes with a 2-year replacement guarantee. No returns needed, just contact them for a new one. That alone sets it apart from the rest. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It's built with 304 stainless steel and food-grade silicone, so there's zero plastic taste. The 1200 milliamp battery lasts 30-40 days, and it pumps 1.5 liters in 60 seconds with auto stop. It's also patented in the US, which means the design is unique and tested. Installation is tool-free and works with kids and elders alike. Now, some people complained about the pump being a bit loud during operation. Here's the thing though, it's not silent, but it's quieter than most blenders or fans.
For a device that runs only seconds at a time, the noise isn't disruptive. This is perfect for you if you want durability, safety, and serious customer support. Skip this one if you're on a super tight budget or don't care about long-term warranties. For $10, the service makes it a standout. Product number 5, Bimver Quantitative Pump. If you've been frustrated by overpouring or guessing how much water you're getting, this Bimver pump solves that with a built-in 600 milliliter dealing button. At $9.90, it's one of the few pumps with precise measurement, and it includes a dual-color power light to show battery status. Small but useful details. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The delaying feature automatically stops at 600 milliliters, which is perfect for filling bottles, making coffee, or controlling intake. The 1200 milliamp hour battery lasts 30-40 days, and it's compatible with 2 to 5 gallon jugs. The silicone hose is FDA grade, and the compact design saves counter space. Now, some people complain that the dealing function isn't adjustable. It's fixed at 600 milliliters. Here's the thing though, if you mostly drink in that range, it's incredibly convenient. But if you need variable amounts often, this might feel limiting. This is perfect for you if you want precision and smart dispensing under $10. Skip this one if you need customizable volumes or plan to use it for large containers. It's ideal for measured hydration. So which one should you buy? The Cozy Charm wins for speed, Cozy Blue for simplicity, Bayo for material safety, My Vision for support, and Bimver for precision. All under $10, but each fits a different need. Pick based on what matters most to you, and stop lifting those heavy jugs.